What if I told you that there is one single technique that could transform your English fluency in just 15 days? No apps, no courses, no grammar drills. Only you and your brain and whatever you are reading. I know that sounds too simple, but by the end of the video, you will understand how this method is going to work for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika. Today we are going to talk about how you are going to be fluent in next 15 days. Most of the public speakers have been using this technique for years, but I don't know why nobody's talking about it. This technique is called rephrasing, or sometimes it is also known as paraphrasing. Okay, if you're a person who loves to read books, who is sort of a bookworm, this technique is going to work for you. Even if you do not like to read any book and you feel that the conversation sticks with you a lot, you love to hear a lot of podcasts, then this technique is also going to work for you. This is going to be very simple. You just need to read one paragraph, and whatever the paragraph you have read, you only have to rephrase it into your own words. I am not asking you to copy what is exactly written in the book. I am asking you to rephrase it into your own words. Put down the book and just rephrase into your own language, with whatever the vocabulary you have. Okay, the point is your context should be clear, your meaning should be clear, but if you choose to use different words, that is completely your choice. This is how you are going to build, or you're going to have good vocabulary. Don't memorize it, don't rephrase word for word. Rather, you should practice like as if you are telling this to your friend. Now, let me tell you why this technique is so effective. Because knowing why is actually very important. Because that is going to motivate you a lot to try this technique once. Because first, you are going to learn how the ideas are structured. Second, you are going to have a lot of vocabulary. You are going to know that how one single word can be used in different contexts. You will know how the native speakers actually express their ideas. You will know the flow, the rhythm, and how the sentences connect. You will have a lot of vocabulary because when we rephrase, our brain forces to retrieve words. Now you are going to use active vocabulary. There is a huge difference between recognizing a word and using that word actually. And that is how your vocabulary moves from passive vocabulary to active vocabulary. And every time you rephrase successfully, you prove it to yourself that you can now express anything in English confidently. And that is how confidence compounds. After a few days of practice, you will notice that you hesitate less and words are automatically coming to you. And if you think that you are not a reading person, you do not like to read a lot of books, only conversation sticks with you a lot, then first listen to the reply that the guest has given. After that, you should answer to that question into your own words. This is how you can practice this technique. But if you practice this consistently for next 30 days, I'm telling you, you are going to see a noticeable change in your language. I know first few days are going to be a little difficult for you. You are going to pause a lot. You are going to use a lot of fillers, and sometimes you are going to forget sentences and phrases from the reading. But you have to push through to next week. Now you're using sentences a bit easier. You are not taking so many pauses. You are not using filler words. Rather, you are using good vocabulary. You will also catch yourself thinking in English. And if you consistently practice for next 30 days, you will see a good change in your language. You will see that your vocabulary is expanded. You will see that now you are not losing out on words. You will see that whenever you are getting a chance to speak, your confidence is already built up. So for more such details and techniques, you can subscribe to my channel. So bye-bye, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.